My name is Michael Black. I'm 71 years old, and I have had both my hips replaced within the last 3 years by Dr. Frisch. The whole procedure, from initial consultation to post-op to PT, was the most seamless experience I've ever had in a medical office. It's just a well-oiled business, and not only Dr. Frisch, but Amy, Maggie, Stephanie. Patient satisfaction, I should say, is first class. The first time you meet Dr. Frisch, he makes you feel so at ease. Everybody comes in, when they're having a major body part replaced, they come in with they're a little nervous. But as soon as you meet Dr. Frisch and his staff, they make you feel so at ease. Questions are answered in detail. They'll stay with you as long as you need to answer all of your questions. So you walk out with a good understanding of what's going to happen or what to expect. You just feel comfortable when you leave the office.